Welcome back to my channel. I am Ashley C., your beauty and fashion BFF for entrepreneurs. If you are in the beauty and fashion industry and you sell your own beauty or fashion products, I would love to test them out for you right here on this channel. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and then click the link in the description box to tell me a little bit about your stuff. Today I am reviewing bath bombs from Mama's Brown Sugar. I have the orange sherbet and the Japanese lotus flower balm. And look how cute they are. Look at the packaging, really cute. And just to give you a little bit of information, Mama's Brown Sugar is a small business that specializes in raw, vegan-friendly, and 100% all natural products. And so she has lots of things, lotions and oils, bath bombs, serums, scrubs. She makes really cute gift baskets. And so I tried out the bath bombs. I'm the orange sherbet one, and I saved this purple one for my daughter who is absolutely obsessed with anything purple. So I'm going to let her try out this one. But if you would like to see my experience with the orange sherbet bath bomb from Mama's Brown Sugar, then keep on watching. Here's the packaging. There are peanuts in there to keep everything nice and secure, which is very nice. And here is the first bath bomb. Really cute. This is the orange sherbet one, and it says, "You're the bomb." How cute is that? And then a specialized little sticker on the back to indicate the type of bath bomb that's in there. And then this is the Japanese one. Really cute. Look how it's tied really nicely. Purple to match. Really cute detail. And this is a handwritten card, which I happen to really appreciate. Really nice. She has her business cards inside. And then there's also these two little cards that give information on the products, the ingredients, and how to use them. And then a Hallmark card. Okay, so I am about to get in my tub and try out the bath bombs. The ingredients listed are arrowroot powder, cornstarch, Epsom salt, vitamin E oil, olive oil, and essential oil or pure fragrance, and cosmetic grade mica powder. And then the instructions read to just drop the bath bomb into tub and watch as it fizzles and swirls with color. Color should rinse right out of the tub and not stain. So excited to give it a try. Let's see. Go ahead and get the water situated and drain the tub, making sure it's the right temperature. And time for the bath bomb, the showstopper. So here it is. Gonna go ahead and drop that in. Now, being that I did read the ingredients and I know that this bath bomb is all natural and there is no baking soda, I'm not exactly expecting fireworks here, but there is definitely some fizzle, so I'll let you hear that. And the color is taking nicely. Fizzle, fizzle. And I added some bubbles because what's a bath without bubbles, right? And the color came out very cute. So I decided to make this like a whole moment. I have my bubbles, I'm super relaxed, got my candles going. I know you can't really see it there. The water feels amazing. I have my music, and this is actually Mountain Dew. I wanted to try to be extra, and it's probably not even Mountain Dew. I think it's like Mountain Lightning, but I'm silly and I couldn't even hold a straight face without laughing. So yeah, I really enjoyed it. When I saw the color on the tub, I started to freak out just a little bit, but then I remembered that it's not supposed to stain, so I started to wipe, and it came right off, as you can see, which was definitely a relief for me. It wiped right out. At first, I was using just a clean sponge, and then I added some like Ajax or Comet or something, and it left no color behind. So very pleased with that. All right, so my thoughts on the bath bomb. I loved my me time, my bath time. The bath bomb just added to my experience. It fizzled very nicely like it's supposed to and left a really bright orange pinky color the entire time I was in the bathtub. From the beginning all the way until I drained the water out, the color was still there. It also had a really nice light fragrance, which I didn't mind at all. Felt very therapeutic. When I got out of the bathtub, my skin was not dry or stripped, and most importantly, my lady parts did not feel irritated. I used it quite a few hours ago and everything is still just fine, and that's very important when I am trying out new bath products. So based on my review, I would say that the bath bombs from Mama's Brown Sugar are Ashley approved. If you would like to have me test out your beauty or fashion items, all you have to do is send them to me. Don't forget, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. Until next time, bye-bye. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.